All right, so as you can see here, we're looking at 9D question 6, okay, where a universal set is every number between 1 and 12. All the outcomes are equally likely, okay, this is important, all right, that they're equally likely. And A is the event of an even number, B is the event of a multiple of 3. So first, let's write out those sets, okay? So set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay? That should be a curly bracket. All right, and set B, sorry, B is equal to the set of multiples of 3, so we're looking at 3, 6, 9, and 12. All right, the probability of A, all right, we can see is going to be half of these numbers, really. All right, you can count them. So we've got 6 there divided by 12 is going to be equal to a half. Okay, the probability of B is going to be equal to, we've got 4 out of 12, okay, which is going to be a third. And then we need to find the probability of A union B, which we know is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. Okay, so we know that, but the question also tells us, because it says find the probability of the intersection, hence find the union. Okay, so the probability of the intersection here, we just have to look at these two and see what's the same. Okay, so we can see that 6 is the same and 12 is the same. So the probability of A intersect B is going to be equal to 2 over 12, which is a sixth. All right, so the probability of A union B is equal to a half plus a third minus a sixth. Okay, find the common factor of a common denominator of a sixth. Okay, so you've got 3 on 6 plus 2 on 6 is equal to 5 on 6 minus 1 on 6 is equal to 4 on 6, which is 2/3. Okay, we can check this answer, so finding the union of these two. All right, so we'll copy these out. So the union, let's have a look. We've got 2, 3, 4, 6 is repeated, 8, 9, 10, and 12. So this is the probability looking at it and getting what's, getting each single event or element, I should say, and putting them in here. And we can see that it does, in fact, add up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 12, which is 4 on 6 and hence 2 on 3. Okay, doing it this way isn't going to be as good for you in the long run, all right? But you can see here that it works either way, and you can check your answer that way.